Hello guys and welcome to you in this Industrial Automation Bootcamp. In this course I'm trying to teach you all the important and necessary information that you would need in order to build an industrial automation system. I will start from the real basics and I will build up till we can build a PLC HMI based systems. We're starting from wires literally and ending with multiple programming languages and HMI simulation. I mean, it's a really huge course. I will be really happy if you join me in this journey, and I'm sure that you're going to learn a lot of useful information. Let me go through what we're going to learn quickly. This is an electrical panel, and it has multiple parts, and we're going to talk about each of them individually. We have a PLC, we have its modules, we have DC power supplies, we have relays, we have overload and overcurrents, we have contactors, we have different type of MCBs, we have motor drivers, we have main circuit breakers, we have bus bars, we have input cables, we have distribution cables, we have control cables, we have HMIs, and all of these, I'm going to talk about them in detail so that you can get the grasp of them. Even though this course is 16 hours, whenever I feel that if I add this, it will be beneficial, I am adding it. So once you buy this course, you would still be getting free content without paying for it. First section, don't expect a heavy information. It's just to get you started. The sections after it is going to get a little bit tricky. Now, I'm going to teach you about classical control simulation. Let's say you have built a circuit here. How can you simulate it? How can you make sure that the functionality is working? Let's say you have built star-delta type of driving, or backward-forward type of driving, or directed driving, or you have some certain of a complex control circuit. How can you simulate it without actually building it? We're going to learn about that. I'm going to teach you about troubleshooting. Let's say you have built your circuit and some parts are not working properly. I'm going to give you possibilities about why would they not work and what should you be checking first and how can you fix the problem in order to get your system to work. I'm going to teach you about different sensors that are used in industrial automation, like what is proximity sensor, what is PT100s, what is flow sensors, what is lot cells. I'm going to give you a lot of information about sensors, their types, their voltage standards, and etc. You're going to see what applications we use with these sensors. I'm going to teach you also 4 PLC programming languages. We're going to use a platform called COTSYS. COTSYS is a really wonderful platform in order to learn, and not only learn, there is a lot of companies that base their own software upon COTSYS. So once you learn COTSYS, you'll be able to handle like 70% of the PLCs exist in the industry. I'm also going to teach you how to wire PLCs, how can you troubleshoot them, and all of this information. And as I said, 4 programming languages is more than enough in order to get you the grasp of complex PLC programming. Now, this course contains 2 compilation projects, and they both contain a part for schematic drawing. I'm going to teach you about a software that you can use. It's an open source where you can draw your project. I'll teach you about how to read one-wire schematics, which are very, very common when you are dealing with contractors. They're going to give you these one-wire diagrams. I'll tell you to build circuits upon them, and I'm going to teach you how to interpret them. Next, I'm going to teach you about the visualization, how you can build HMIs. I'm going to use COTSYS inner functionalities in order to build cool HMIs, and I'll teach you how to link it to the PLC. Finally, I'll teach you about web visualization, like how can you make this PLC accessible by the web? How can you see your server-based HMI on your phone, your browser remotely? This is some really cool stuff. So my friends, till next time.